there's usually two things where people get confused when they're thinking about cash damming. The number one thing is the difference between the interest rate of the HELOC and the interest rate on their fixed mortgage. So typically the HELOC rate is slightly higher than the mortgage rate, right? Currently the HELOC are going for 4.95 and maybe the fixed product are around 4.3. But the difference in those two numbers is that one is tax deductible and one isn't, right? So if we think about 45 can be $45, 45 degrees, they have different meaning, right? So the one that we need to understand when it comes to the difference between the rate on the HELOC and the rate on the mortgage portion is when you're doing the Smith maneuver or you're doing cash damming, your HELOC rate is tax deductible. So that means that the money you send to CRA is coming back to you. So not only it's not a big deal, but it's giving you money back, right? So the difference in rate also, it's not compound the same way. The fixed mortgage is compound over 30 years, where the HELOC rate is compound monthly. So it's a huge difference. The benefit of having a tax deductible rate that's compound monthly versus a normal fixed rate that's not doing anything for you is huge. Now, the second thing people get stuck a little bit is that we're doing the strategy to pay off your mortgage faster. But people are wondering like, okay, yes, I'm going to make a lump sum on my mortgage, but we're using the HELOC for the expense. That's right. So the HELOC will grow over time for sure. But whether you're doing the strategy or not, you're stuck with the mortgage anyway. You're stuck with a mortgage for 30 years. So what we're trying to do when we're doing this strategy is we're trying to convert it. So the first step is let's get rid of the bad mortgage, which is not tax deductible. So we convert the bad debt into a good debt, which is tax deductible, and then we pay it down. You will end up paying your mortgage faster anyways, but it's just a different process. It's a different step. It's one, we convert it, two, we pay it off. So when you're looking into the cash damming or Smith maneuver, don't think about what's the rate. Think about what are the benefits. One, you're converting your mortgage, so now you're getting more tax write-off. Two, you will pay off your mortgage faster because you're doing lump sum and you're making your money work harder. Book a call with me so we can see exactly what we can do for your situation.